Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all in the class of Moral Science with lesson 8. The world is a mirror, part 2. I hope you all must have watched video part 1, in which objective of the lesson and understanding the value has been taught. Before beginning the class, let me tell you one thing, that I get disappointed when I find that many of you are not watching the videos. If you are not watching the videos, if you are not following the class, who will be in the loss? Ultimately, you people only, isn't it? So, I have a request with you all that watch the video carefully and follow the class. Right? And I know that my children are very obedient, very smart, and they will do and follow all the instructions given by the teacher. So, let me begin the class today. Story time. Once an explorer traveling in the thick jungles of Kenya lost his way. This is the story of an explorer. Explorer means a person who goes to different areas in terms of finding new things. That means for the investigation of new things, that person goes to different areas. And in due course of that, this explorer went in a thick jungle of Kenya and lost his way. You know, Kenya is in Africa, and in Africa, so dense forests are there. So this person, he lost his way, Rasta bhatak gaya. The tribals spotted and caught him. And in the jungle, who are there? Tribals are there. Tribals are also human beings, but they are very innocent and they don't know about anything about the new world, modern world. They don't have any idea. Still they eat the flesh of animals, and still they cover their bodies with the bark of the trees and leaves and all. That means they are unaware of the world, modern world you can say, or else about the world. They have their own life. They live like animals, still in the jungle they are, isn't it? So they are called tribals. And this explorer was caught by the tribals. They thought that he was their enemy. The tribals took him to their chief. And when a person went like that in a short pant maybe, so they thought, who is this strange one? And they thought that this person is of their enemies. So obviously what did they do? They caught him and took to their chief, to the Mukhia. The chief told them to search his bag. And now the chief, as you can see in the picture, chief also got frightened of the explorer. What did he say? He said to them that just search his bag and find out if anything is there which can harm us. Right? The drivers found many things in his bag, out of which one was a mirror. So, when the drivers got order from the chief to search the bag, they started searching it. And what did they found? They found many things, maybe the personal things of the explorer. And among them, they found one of the mirrors also. The drivers had never seen a mirror before. These drivers, they had never seen mirror before, because they were living in the jungle and they were not knowing anything about such type of thing. They showed the mirror to the chief, and they found it very strange thing, so they showed it to the chief. The chief looked at this reflection in the mirror, and what happened when the chief just took in his hand, the mirror in his hand, and when he saw, what did he saw? In the mirror, he saw his reflection in the mirror, and he said, I can see an angry man. He is my enemy. I must kill him. So when he saw his face in the mirror, he found an angry man. He said, I can see an angry man. So if that man is angry, he must be enemy of me and I will kill him. Thus, he hit the mirror with a spear and the mirror broke into many pieces. As a result, what did he do? He was angry, no? And he became more furious when he found an angry man inside the mirror. So he hit with the spear and the mirror broke into the pieces. Right? The chief was happy thinking he had killed his enemy. The others cheered the chief on his victory. And now, since the chief had broken the mirror, so he was very happy. Hey, I have killed my enemy. And others, tribals also, they were very happy and they started cheering their chief. Maharaj ki jai ho, Maharaj ki jai ho, like that. Because they were thinking that their chief had killed the enemy. The explorer was watching everything very carefully. He understood what was happening, and this explorer, he was a common man, but very wise man. He was watching everything what is going on, and he understood the matter. He picked up a piece of mirror and placed it before the chief's face. So what he did, he took one of the pieces from the ground and put in front of the chief. Now, the chief saw a smiling face and said, he is my friend, he is smiling. And when the chief saw his reflection in the mirror, he found that the another side, the man is there who is smiling. So smiling means he is my friend. So the chief said, oh, he is smiling, that means he is my friend. The others also picked up the pieces of broken mirror and started smiling. So other tribals also, they also took one pieces of the mirror and they saw their reflection in the mirror. And they found that the reflection was smiling. That means they thought that inside the mirror, which person is there? That person is their friend. Right? The explorer then said, if you greet others with a smile, others too would do the same. Then explorer made them to understand, the chief and the tribals, that if you greet others with a smile, they also will greet you with a smile in return. Isn't it? And if you frown at others, you will also get the same response. But if you frown on others, if you shout on others, if you become angry on others, also will do the same with you. Because same reflection, same response you will get. So, spread happiness to stay happy. That is why if you want to be happy, spread happiness. If you make others happy, in return, you too will get happiness. Got it, everyone? The chief understood what the explorer said. He happily set him free and thanked him for teaching such a wonderful lesson. So this chief, he understood what the explorer is telling. He understood that if I am happy, if I am smiling, others also will smile. If I will be angry, others also will be angry on me. So he understood what the explorer meant to say. Then he happily set him free and thanked him. He did not only made him to free, he made the explorer free and thanked also for teaching such a wonderful lesson. And he thanked the explorer that you have given me a very good lesson. So I am thankful for that. Right? So, what is the moral of the story? We must keep smiling and radiating happiness. That means we must keep smiling and we must keep others also smiling. We must keep others also happy. Summing up, the world is like a mirror. If we are cheerful, we will spread happiness. World is like a mirror. We know that in the mirror we see our own reflection, isn't it? So, if we are cheerful, if we are happy, we will spread happiness. On the other hand, if we are sad, we would get a similar response. In the other hand, if we are sad, if we are unhappy, if we are having grumpy face, if we are having drooping face, we will get the same response from others. So let us keep smiling. So what is good? Be happy always or be sad always? Obviously, be happy. When you are happy, so many positive thoughts come in you, isn't it? And when you are sad, negativity comes in you. So try to be happy always. Okay, I hope you must have learned the lesson and must have understood the meaning of lesson. So try to be happy always. Keep smiling. Stay home. This, your lesson gets over here. And what is your homework now? Your homework is to read the chapter loudly. And the second homework is to do the exercises 2 and 3 by yourself. Okay, take care.